Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out for yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has only 1,501 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. This bike has a 14.3 volt charging output, 5/32 front tire tread depth, and 9/32 on both rear tires. This bike has been test ridden and runs, rides, and shifts properly. Looking at the service repair order, we invested a total of $410 into this bike, and you can view this bike's repair order on our website to see exactly what work we did. Cosmetically, this is Type 1. This is a late model, low mileage, and minimal wear. There is a scratch on the front fender. This bike has no owner's manual, no toolkit, 2 keys, and 1 fob. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation, and it's been upgraded with axle caps. This bike has a clear title, and the cycle check shows that it has no abnormalities. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.